Jenny! Stop faffing around! We need to tell people about the Beginner's Bundle, our 3 most popular programs, all in one place, with a discount.
But you just threw my laptop away.
That digital marketing stuff is never going to catch on. Don't be silly. Let me show you how to really get people's attention. Come with me. Can you pass the deep lunge test? Can you even move your neck, bro? Do you know that your shoulders should rotate? You, miss! Have you squatted today? Have you done any squats? Have you moved your hips at all? Have you squatted? You, sir, can you touch your toes? Well, a very good day to you, sir. Very good day. You, stop! Have you stretched today?
Sorry, no English.
Jenny, ask me if you stretched today.
Po prostu go zignoruj, jest głupcem, pokaż mu, że jest okej, a zostawi się w spokoju.
Thanks, Jenny. Did you move your ankles this morning? Have you heard that there are 4 types of core strength? Knees are more durable than you think. Have you done your toeability today? Anyone in here needs to move and stretch every day. Ma'am, have you taught your children the importance of good movement and mobility to increase their athletic potential and to give them better longevity? Ma'am? The Beginner Bundle! All 3 of our most popular programs all together in one place! Just head over to my website! Maybe this should be online. Jenny!